Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 5 different decluttering methods. There isn't just one way to declutter your home, so if you've tried and struggled in the past, hopefully you find this video helpful. We're going to start with an adorable Easter egg method. I got it. The Easter egg method is just like the 21 item toss, but 21 item toss, I don't know, it can feel intimidating. You don't need an Easter basket. Any bag will do, but I want you to hunt for things in your space that you're not using, loving, and that you wouldn't buy again. So those are the 3 rules. Have I used it in the last year? Do I love it? And would I buy it again? This creates no mess. This method, you're opening up drawers, you're looking in piles, you're going in closets, and it's like you're looking for an egg, man. It's like you're a little Easter egg hunter for things. Anything that you find, it doesn't matter if it's trash, it doesn't matter, it just goes. It's going. It could be something that you want to donate. It could be something that's being relocated later. That's okay. We're going to go through the basket and sort it at the end. What we're doing right now is just editing a drawer or a closet or whatever space it is that why? The real question is, why do I have all this stuff in here? The next method I want to talk about is a very famous Marie Kondo method. So I'm going to go ahead and Kondo this buffet. It's kind of messy. So the Marie Kondo method basically is you're taking everything out, you're touching it, you're seeing if it sparks joy, and then you're thanking it for its service to you and letting it go if it does not spark joy. So let's do this. So step 1 is taking everything out of the space, and then once you have that, then you touch everything. This is a mess. And you see if it sparks joy. Why do we have, speaking of spark joy, why do we have sparklers in here? You know, because I'm a ladybug. Okay, these definitely spark no joy. I don't know why. This is guilty clutter. My mother-in-law gave these placemats to me. We don't actually use placemats, so, you know, and this, I loved it, but it's all bally, and I never use it anymore. But I do like this yellow one, but why are these like a, you know, this one, are you sparking? No. This sparks no joy. I forgot the, thank you. Random placemats. I do like those ones. I like these chargers, but I do not need these. Thank you, placemats. The next method is the no mess method. This is a method that was created by Dana from A Slob Comes Clean, and there was just a video from the Minimal Mom, and I'm going to put a link to both of their amazing channels below. Basically, the no mess method means that you are sorting your things into donate and toss, but instead of does not belong, instead of putting it into a pile till later, if you come across something that doesn't belong in this space, you're immediately taking it to where it goes. So you're walking it to where it goes, so that at the end you don't have a huge pile of stuff that you have to deal with at the end. So there's no mess to clean up. When you're done, you're done. This does involve a lot of walking. That's the part, this is why I don't ever use this method, because I'm like, I'll just pile it all to later and then put it away at the end. But for some people that doesn't work. They don't actually put it away at the end. So if you're not easily distractible and you tend to not put things away at the end, the no mess method might be for you. So this goes in my bedroom. You just check and see if there's anything else that belongs in the bedroom. If it's a no, you put this away. So while I was putting away the games that I found in this cabinet, I actually found a game that we don't usually play with. We never play with it, honestly, so it can totally go. That I think is one of the benefits of the no mess method is as you're going from room to room, you're in that mind frame already that you're decluttering. So when you're putting things away immediately, you might discover other things that can go and you're left at the end with no mess. So this next method is called trash bag therapy, garbage bag therapy, and I really like doing this with people who are very reluctant to let go because you're actually only looking for garbage. It's also something you can do in a teenager's room, like this is Izzy's room, and still be really respectful of their belongings. So I'm not going to touch any of her things. I'm not going to make choices about what stays and goes. That's hers, but I am just looking for actual garbage. This is a great way to start, especially too with clients. That helps get the ball rolling without feeling any of that sentimental or emotional anxiety that can come with decluttering. So you just grab a trash bag and you look for actual trash. Everybody has it. Like garbage wrappers, empty packages. We're just gonna find actual trash. But if there's something you're not sure what it is, it stays. So after just a few minutes, I found so many candy wrappers and empty gum packages and actual food and like things that shouldn't be in here. So I'm feeling good. I mean, as a mom, I didn't touch any of her stuff or go through her personal things, but I found a lot of trash and I love this trash bag therapy. I'm feeling very motivated to go in other rooms and keep searching for trash. You gotta try this method. The last method is my favorite method. It's called the 4-sort method, and it's the one that I use with almost all of my clients. You can modify this if you're already coming from a pretty organized space, but basically you have 4 categories. You have keep, you have donate, you have toss, and does not belong. And so when you're sorting either a pile or a drawer or a cabinet, you're putting things into keep, toss, donate, does not belong. If you have a pretty tidy space, you're just gonna leave the keep where it is. So you don't need to use the keep. You're gonna keep it in the cabinet or the drawer or the closet, and then just sort into toss, donate, or does not belong. So check out my giant purge pile. I'm really excited and a little surprised after all these years constantly decluttering of all the things I found using all 5 of the different decluttering methods. Let me know in the comments below what method you thought was your favorite, and I'll see you guys next time. This is the game we're donating. It's unicorn toss. You wear this on your head and then you... No? No? Do it, Joe. Can you get me? This game is fun. Why are we donating it? Woo! You're a ringer! We should probably keep this, right? This is what happens when I donate. I'm like, wow. suck. You suck, Joe. No, it's in my eyes. It's in my eyes. Yes, you're good at this. Why are we getting rid of this? You want to keep it, don't you? Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I don't have a funny story, but I was in my first ever accident last week. Joe's shaking his head. It was technically my first ever collision because I have gotten into accidents to inanimate objects, which I don't believe counts as an accident. I have backed into Joe's vehicle repeatedly, but it's in my own driveway. So does that count as an accident? No. I've smashed shopping carts and curbs and other things, none of which counts as an accident. But last week, I was backing out of my driveway. No, it wasn't Joe's car. It was my neighbor who was also backing out of the driveway, and we backed into each other. So technically, I feel like that doesn't count as my fault, right? So does that count as an accident? When you smash into someone who's also backing up at the exact same time, that cancels each other out. So still accident-free. I'll see you guys next time. Right? Am I right?